Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Do you know Python is not just popular among programmers? Instead, non programmers like scientists and accountants also use Python in their everyday task. If you are searching for an ideal programming language for your business, here is why Python is perfect. First, unmatched popularity. One valid reason to use Python for your next project is that it enjoys unmatched popularity. It is the first preference of startups, but even tech giants like Google, Instagram, Netflix, and YouTube use Python for their everyday development. Second, faster development. Are you looking for a shorter time to market? Well, Python fits those criteria. It comes with multiple data structures and libraries that contribute to completing the project faster. Moreover, the shorter code length can help you to reduce the development time. Third, an ideal platform for web development. What do you presume is an ideal programming language for web development? It should have a valuable features that ensure faster development for dynamic application. The good thing is Python has its all, like built-in libraries, unit testing frameworks, use of integration, etc. Fourth, it saves money. Budget concerns should not prevent you from developing an excellent application for your business. Luckily, Python can help you solve this problem. Since it ensures faster development, you can save money significantly. Moreover, working hours is equivalent to less money. Fourth, data security. Today, data is everything to enterprises. Secure data means a successful business. So, what makes Python a reliable option for creating protected applications? First, it hides program source code. As a result, hackers cannot access to your application. Do you want business to stand out from competitors? If yes, choosing the right solution or programming language is a good start. Although it's been 3 decades, Python is outshining all options. It enables you to build a feature rich application fast and within the budget. If you like this video and want more informative videos, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like and share. Thank you.